RoadActive suspension kits are designed to stay on your truck for the life of the vehicle. But if you're watching this, you're probably looking to safely remove your kit. That's exactly what we're going to show you today. This is a simple bolt-on mechanical system, and removing it is just as straightforward when done correctly. Start by safely lifting the truck so the rear axle is hanging free. This allows the suspension to fully unload before removing the kit. Next, unlock the two jam nuts located behind the RoadActive suspension coil spring. Run them up the threaded rod about an inch so they're out of the way. Place a ratchet with the correct socket on the front adjustment bolt. Slowly rotate the ratchet counterclockwise to release all spring tension from the system. If needed, use a wrench on the two lock nuts at the end of the threaded rod to keep the rod from turning while you release tension. Once all tension is removed, use a 10mm Allen wrench with a 19mm or 3/4 inch socket to loosen the front bolt that secures the axle bracket around the U-bolts. Remove the bolt, sleeve, and nut completely. At this point, the RoadActive suspension kit can be safely removed from the leaf springs, returning the suspension to its original configuration. Always follow proper safety procedures. And if you have any questions, our team is here to help.